Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Wyze Scale X smart scale and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this scale is not syncing with your app, or it's not connecting to something, or if it's not pairing with your app or anything like that, doesn't seem to be responding, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. The second reason you might want to do this is just for whatever reason, if you're setting this up on a new phone or something, you just want to basically clear everything off of this so you can set it up as new. This is a really easy thing to do. All you'll need to do is, and once you do this, you're going to need to set it back up on the app if you're using the app anyways, because it will not connect to the old device. So all we need to do is, now this one has the batteries out, but we're going to access the battery cover, but without having the batteries out of it. And we're just going to press and hold the unit button on that's inside the battery cover for 3 seconds. And on the other side, we can just look at the display on the other side. And after those 3 seconds, the display will show CLR, clear. And once you do that, once it shows clear, then you can go ahead and let go of this button. Allow it to complete its reset, and then you can go ahead, go back into your app, all that kind of stuff, and just set this scale up like it's a brand new scale.